We just got to San Francisco, start of another 3-day trip. My commute today was actually really nice, which I think this is kind of funny about being a commuter is that sometimes I'll have good experiences and then other times they will be very sour. The flight attendants on American were super nice. Let me use their closet for my maleta. And then they also asked me if I needed anything before we took off, which I thought was really sweet. Yeah, we are going to New York tonight, and I'm actually working con mi amiga Brianna. Bree, she's been on my other videos, so I'm sure you guys will recognize her. I landed in Terminal 1, so I'll have to walk all the way to Terminal 2, which is like a 15-minute walk, so this will be my little exercise of the day. So I'm gonna catch you guys up while I'm doing this 20-minute walk. On my commute flight, I wasn't really able to sleep, which is usually when I try to rest for my work day. But no tenía sueño. I took maybe like a mini 20-minute nap, but we are working the night flight tonight, so I needed way more rest than that. So ahorita ojalá puedo comprar un café, and then hopefully Wacaba's open so I can get some dinner. I'm super excited to be working con mi amiga. I know we're gonna do some fun things in New York. She's always really good at looking up cute restaurants and cute things to do, so I'm excited. Just got an oat latte, and I got teriyaki chicken and rice bowl. Y ahorita nada más estoy esperando. I'm still about an hour early before check-in. So aquí estoy sentada, drinking my little coffee. Bye! We just got to New York. It is 7 in the morning. The crew ended up going to a different hotel, so they're on a different shuttle. So I am by myself. I am actually pretty excited though because my hotel is in Manhattan. It is right in the middle of New York City. So yeah, I've laid over at this hotel one other time and I absolutely loved it. It's a very cute boutique style hotel. So yeah. Oh look, I bet if you can see my friends. There they go. Mini room tour. Por ahí entras, the door, the entry, and then we have this little view. A little bit of Manhattan. You have a little desk study section. The bed, so cute. And el baño. So we just got in from the red eye from San Francisco to New York. It is currently about 8 in the morning and I am working the D position, which normally is the floater position, and so usually you stay at a different hotel from the rest of the crew. Even though this specific trip I am working with the same crew, which I'm working with my friend, back to San Francisco tomorrow. So I don't know why I'm at a different hotel, but I love this hotel. This hotel is so cute. It is actually right in Manhattan, so you can literally walk out from the hotel and walk to Times Square from here. So I love it. It's very boutique vibes. As you guys could see from my little room tour, it's just unique and trendy and very small. They also give us a little breakfast goodie bag and a bag of water. This is actually probably one of my favorite New York layover hotels that we stay at. I am so tired. I think I'm gonna go to sleep because my friend wants to wake up by noon to go into the city and to go explore and walk around. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for bed so I can wake up un poco fresca for our adventure in New York. Buenos días. Ya me arreglé. I'm just waiting for my friend to text me. She is taking a little longer to get ready, but I'm super excited. It looks super nice outside, and I think it's supposed to be in, oh, the window's kind of dirty, but I think it's supposed to be in the 70s, low 80s, and it just looks like such a nice day. Todavía no sé what we are going to do. All I know is that necesito café and comida. I'm hungry and I'm still kind of waking up. Alright, we are on our way. The bad thing is I have to meet my friend by myself, so I'm kind of scared to ride the subway like this alone. I brought my headphones. Let's just go. Okay, walking currently. It's such a nice day out today. It's so pretty. It's like mid-70s. And I think it's only like a 5-minute walk from the hotel to the train station. So ahí voy en camino. You guys, me perdí. And my friend just texted me and said that the coffee place is closed. Estoy sudando. There's my friend. So I finally found my friend. We got coffee at the little cafe place, but all the places to sit were taken, so it's almost 4, so we decided to walk and look for food. And the place we are walking to right now is called, what is it called?
Sodi? I don't know.
Sodi. We're gonna see if they seat us down even though we don't have reservations. But yeah, we shall see. So we came to this little wine bar called St. Georgine. We'll be around the corner. Thank you. We're trying orange wine for the first time.
There's no oranges involved. It's just orange.
It's just orange. No oranges. Just orange wine.
Fabulous. matches your shirt.
Buenos dias. It is currently a little before 5. Ya me acabo de arreglar. We have I have a 5:05 pickup at my hotel. Today's go home day, so have my little cafecito that I got yesterday and I just put in the fridge so I would have it this morning. But yeah, today is go home day, so let's go. Start of another 3-day trip, currently on my commute flights. Just got to San Francisco airport. I actually just picked this trip up yesterday. All right, long story short, I had vacation. I had vacation time and I had stacked it with days off, but it got super complicated and I tried 2 different days and things just kept going wrong. That at that point, after so many things were lining up, dije, no, this is a sign that either I'm not meant to take this specific vacation or quien sabe, but I just got a little discouraged. And so I went back home and I decided to pick up work. I actually have recurrent in like 2 weeks, which I will vlog for you guys, even though I feel like I always vlog and it's the same thing. So I did want to come back anyways early from vacation to study. So this is perfect. I will just work, get some extra hours in. I actually picked up a really fun trip because it is a layover in San Antonio, Texas, which I've never been for work. I've never been there for work, but I have been there before, and it's such a cute little town. And I just looked up the hotel and we're right by the river. Is it called the riverfront or the riverwalk? Quien sabe, but I'm super, super excited. I just got to the airport. I have about 30 minutes before my check-in. So I'm gonna walk to Terminal 1, grab some coffee, and go check in. I have made it to Seattle. Aquí esperando el tren because I'm leaving out of the end terminal. I decided to keep wearing my mask today because people are sick. There's a lot of sick passengers, so I'm just wearing it out of precaution. Still have some coffee from earlier today. No me lo terminé. But ahorita I'm gonna walk to my next flight. I am flying now Seattle to San Antonio. My flight came in late, so the flight actually is supposed to depart in 30 minutes. I'm curious to see if I have a pre-boarder or if they're actually holding the flight and waiting for me to board. Because if they are, then it's probably gonna leave late. They had a traffic hold coming into the Seattle airport, so that's why a lot of the flights ended up being late.
Please stand clear. Please hold on.
I had forgotten my toothbrush. El hotel was able to give me one. Thank God, because not all hotels, I mean, you would think, but not all hotels offer stuff like that, so God bless. I took a photo over there the last time I was here. So beautiful. This is just a small part of the river that goes through this river walk. I'm the only one in the gym. Everybody else is out in the pool having a blast. This is our Airbus flight job. You guys, we are flying on an A321. It's an Airbus and we are getting one of these planes, so it's kind of bittersweet. This is one of the awkward jump seats. Airbus are actually phasing out, I think, this month. So it's kind of sad because this is the company that I originally started with. We would only fly Airbus. Yeah. It still feels a little unreal. Gonna miss our babies. So this is my little jump seat. And then this is my emergency exit. L2, R2. And then this is an A321. So there's 3 labs. There's a lab right there. There's 2 in the back. So 3 for the back cabin and then 1 in the forward for first class. I never updated you guys. I'm currently in Seattle. But my flight yesterday, I did not get a pre-boarder. But we actually ended up leaving on time, which was pretty good because the flight was pretty empty. This trip has been pretty good. I am excited because I am off for about 2 weeks. Because like I mentioned earlier, originally I had vacation, que se canceló. I have plans to I'm gonna go to Vegas for a couple of days. I'm also gonna go see my sister in San Diego. They just moved there late last month. So I'm gonna go visit her and her family and kind of see their new house there. And then I have to study for recurrent. And that's pretty much it. I kind of wanted to start also getting just back into a routine for working out and eating healthy and well. But yeah, ahorita estoy en Seattle. Tomorrow we have 2 legs. We go Seattle to LA, LA to San Francisco. Y ya. Ahorita voy a cambiar. I think I might actually end the vlog here because I think I have a lot of footage. So let's go in here for better lighting. So thank you guys so much for following along. Si les gustó el video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one.